Question 3. The mobile phones shown below have certain features, some of which are shown in the tables. Phone A, you can see it's got a 10 megapixel camera, it's got an MP3 player for playing music, it's got Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, and it's got a 4 GB flash memory card. Camera B has got a 5 megapixel camera, it's got an MP3 player, it's got Wi-Fi connectivity, and it's got a 4 GB memory card. Question A1. Give one advantage of the camera with 10 megapixels, phone A, over the camera with 5 megapixels, phone B. The fact that they've mentioned the megapixels in the question, I would be inclined to make sure that my answer focuses on the difference that this is going to make to the phones. So we know that the main advantage of phone A over phone B is that it's going to have it's got a higher quality camera, therefore it will be able to produce more detailed pictures or images. You could also mention that it has Bluetooth connectivity, whereas phone B doesn't, but I would be inclined to give the answer about the difference that the camera will make. So it is going to produce higher quality, higher detailed images. Question 2. Give one disadvantage of the camera with 10 megapixels, phone A, over the camera with 5 megapixels, phone B. Now if you look at the different characteristics, there isn't anything that phone B has which phone A doesn't have. One thing you can say though, because it has got a 10 megapixel camera, the size of the photos on phone A are going to be larger than the size of the photos on phone B. They both have the same storage capacity, so you could say that the main disadvantage is going to be it will not be able to hold as many photos or images as it has the same size of memory of phone B, but the images or the pictures that it takes are going to have a greater file size, so it will not be able to hold as many photographs or images as phone B. Question B. State one feature of these phones which will allow access to the internet. So you can see, pretty straightforward question. Which feature from the phones are going to allow them to access the internet? So your answer here is going to be the Wi-Fi feature would allow them to connect to the internet via a wireless network.